So what is this place? That's the name of this place. This used to be a theater. This looks like a Greek language or Latin language, I don't know. This is an awesome history. Hi guys, so I'm back again. By the way, see that car? I don't know anything about that car, but here is the interesting part. Here in Turkey you can find very old cars everywhere, so that's why I wanted to show you. The color is really good. Okay, so let's explore more. I'm literally on the ground because I don't like always carrying this, you know. So I want to try this. A lot of places I want to hold it and keep it and start shooting. That will be interesting. What do you say? Cool. Let's go. See the black cat, black cat, black cat. See the yes. So interesting. Bye bye, 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 bye bye. By the way, this super brand or the super hypermarket, it's all over Turkey. So wherever you go you can find this, like a small shop, big shop, everywhere. So that's the interesting part of it, and I think this is a big shop, big hypermarket here. I'd like to go and check it out. Let's go. No, I have to throw that. No. Hey, what do you want? Hello. Go, go. It's cold, cold, cold. See this yacht, awesome. Angel, the name is Angel. This is a yacht garage, I think. Oh. Oop, are you running away? Yeah, this is a yacht garage. It's full of yacht. Awesome. Guys, check this out. Ooh, awesome. This is crazy. I never saw this anytime. See, this is the way they bring the yacht up here to get it repaired or service or whatever you want to do. Wow. Even this huge one. This is cool. And they allow us to go through this. Wow. Bodrum Marina. Wow, see this. Ooh la la. Awesome. Check this out, guys. Whoa, this is one of the awesome place. So this is called as Bodrum Marina. Wow. This is beauty. Ooh la la. Check this out. This is so crazy. Big one. Wow. Is it going back to the sea? I don't know. Wow, check this, guys. He's polishing the thing. Pushing this the whole vehicle, and he is controlling here. Oh. Wow. Check this out. Awesome, beauty. So it was here somewhere, now it's gone already. This is paradise, I'm telling you guys. Oh man, just come for this to Bodrum. It's so good, so good. I mean, like, by the way, they allow us to walk here. That's insane, man. I don't think so any other country they will allow like this to walk in the... Wow. So this is the last and beautiful place, man. Wow. Check this out. Awesome. This is the mother of all the yachts. Wow. Very expensive one. I need a ride. Here we go. There's an interesting fact about Bodrum Lighthouse. You guys can pause the video and read till the end. Cool. And by the way, let me show you the lighthouse. Okay, here we go. This is the lighthouse. Oh la la. Cool. I can't see full, but because the gate is closed, but that's the lighthouse. So this gate is closed. If they open, I can go there and see the lighthouse, because I love lighthouse. Marina Club. This place is insanely beautiful. Awesome. So the interesting part of this is, on the other side you have this beautiful shops, hotels, boutiques, whatever you name it, everything is here. And just opposite to this beauty. beautiful sunset is going to about to happen, and awesome. It was an awesome day, awesome. I don't know. Everything was awesome. I'm feeling hungry now. So hope you guys enjoyed this my trip. So this is the second video of the day. Lot of work, buddy, lot of work. My back is aching like crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed, and please subscribe, please share, please talk about my video again with your friends. Share in their WhatsApp group. Do whatever you can. Okay. Maybe somebody else wants to see this video. May not be you, but just share among everyone. But it's interesting, see. So that's literally the second video from Bodrum. Did in 2 days. So beautiful sunset. So good night, take care. I can't see you guys because the sun is like really hitting me. Take care, eat well, sleep well, and smile well. Okay, see you guys, and maybe in the next episode. Yeah, see you. Cool, bye. There's nothing, guys. There's nothing here. I don't know why they did this, but I will try. This is so good. So the next steps goes like this. Let's give out Essa. Here we go, guys. So I'm here. This is beautiful. Wow. If I come here, so I have to do this also, right? Coming till the edge, and the edge is here. Oh.